Imagine living underground in total darkness for 13 years and then suddenly millions of you rise together at the exact same time. Sounds like a movie, right? But this is real. Let me tell you about a fascinating creature called the cicada. These insects live deep under the ground, near tree roots. They don't see sunlight. They barely move. They just quietly drink sap from tree roots and grow. And here's the crazy part. There are two types of cicadas. One lives underground for 13 years, the other for 17 years. Not 12, not 15. Exactly 13 or 17. Now think about this. How do they even know that 13 years have passed? Scientists believe they sense changes in tree sap and soil temperature. After all those years, millions of cicadas come out at the same time. They climb trees, they shed their outer skin, they grow wings. And suddenly, the entire area is filled with sound, louder than a train. But here's the real question, why 13 years? Why 17 years? Why not 12 or 15? Because of something very powerful in mathematics, prime numbers. 13 is a prime number, 17 is also a prime number. That means they are divisible only by 1 and themselves. If cicadas came out every 12 years, predators could easily predict and prepare. But prime numbers are irregular. They don't match easily with other life cycles. So predators get confused. They can't sync their population with cicadas. Results, millions of cicadas survey. Their species continues. So today, don't just remember this definition. Prime numbers are numbers divisible only by 1 and itself. Instead, remember this story because sometimes math is not just numbers, it's survival, it's strategy, it's nature's intelligence, and that is the hidden power of prime numbers.